How to set default disappearing message timer. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set a default for disappearing message timer. It's so easy and quick, and also it's so helpful to you. And now click on those 3 points up there, click on setting, scroll down and click on privacy. Now scroll down and you have disappearing message, and set a default disappearing message timer for all your new chats started by you. Click on it and choose timer, 4 weeks, 1 week, 1 day, 8 hour, 1 hour, 5 minutes or 3 seconds. For example, let's choose 5 minutes and click on save. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.